I can't speak highly enough of the men and women that make up the Tahoe Nordic Search and Rescue Team. They are some of the highest rated, best, most well-trained, selfless servants that you'll find in the country right here in the Lake Tahoe Basin. These are true heroes that answer the call and selflessly serve and put themselves in harm's way when we call and there are other members of our community in need. This incident has specifically struck our organization and that team hard, as one of the 9 missing decedents is a spouse of one of our Tahoe Nordic Search and Rescue Team members. So as you can understand, this has not only been challenging for our community, it's been a challenging rescue, but it's also been challenging emotionally for our team and our organization. We are committed to being here until the end and making sure we make all these recoveries. As Sheriff Moon mentioned, the decedents will be transported to the Placer County morgue upon recovery and getting them off the mountain down at our Roseville facility. But in closing, I would like to add my request to members of the public during this time, and that is please avoid the Sierras during this current storm and in the upcoming days. Avoid mountain travel. It's treacherous. Avoid the backcountry. Please allow us to focus all of our resources on continuing to recover these bodies for the family and bring them home. Just yesterday, while we were responding to this incident, we got pulled off and had to pull resources for other rescues and overdue skiers. So please, over the next couple of days until this incident comes to a conclusion, please avoid the Sierras.